Hey everyone, Mrs. Klein here. This is May, week 6, day 3 and day 4. This is the question day for those who had the story Microscopes and then Many Ways to Measure. We're going to do the questions for both of the stories on one video. You may pause the video so that way you can do one story on one day and then the other story on day 4. So, all right. Let's go ahead and look at these. All right, microscopes magnify things. Question number 1, what does a microscope do? Who can find that? What does a microscope do? It's in the second paragraph. Somebody said it, yes, right here. Microscopes magnify things. Very nice. That's all we're gonna write, guys. That's a pretty easy sentence. And it even restates it. Microscopes magnify things. There you have it. Okay, question number 2. Who were 2 of the men who helped invent the microscope many years ago? So look in paragraph 3, and we're looking for 2 names. 2 men who helped invent the microscope. Good work right here. Robert Hooke and Anton van Leeuwenhoek both helped to invent the microscope many years ago. So that's what we're going to write. And it's a little bit more difficult because the names are pretty long and pretty difficult. If you do not have room to write the full sentence, you can just write their name. That's fine. Robert Hooke and Anton van Leeuwenhoek. I even have to look at how to spell this. Such a difficult name for me. Leeuwenhoek invented the microscope many years ago. Again, if you don't have room to write that all, you can just write the names, but I think you guys might have room because you can technically go outside of this line right here if you need to, okay? All right, let's look at question number 3. How do scientists let other scientists know about the things that they observe so they can learn too? So how do they let the other scientists know about things that they've learned? And that's going to be in paragraph 1. Good work, guys. When scientists make observations, they record their data, and then they will share it with other scientists. Very nice. So they record data and share with other scientists. That's what we're going to write. Scientists record data and share with other scientists. There we go. Good work, everyone. Okay, let's look at question number 4. What is inside the microscope's short tube? Inside the microscope's short tube, and that is paragraph 4. Paragraph 4, what's inside the short tube? Good work, guys. Yeah, it says a light microscope uses 2 glass lenses. The lenses are inside a short tube. That's the answer. So 2 glass lenses are inside the short tube. And there you have it. That's the answer to that one. Good work. Question number 5. What are the little knobs on the side of a microscope used for? And again, that is also in paragraph 4. Yeah, right here it says little knobs. Little knobs, like wheels, can be turned to make the view sharp and clear. So that's what we're going to write. The little knobs are used to make the view sharp and clear. Okay. There we go. That's the questions for those. If you need to pause this screen right here, you may pause it to get those answers down. You may also pause because if you want to do the next set of questions tomorrow, you can do them tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to our next story, many ways to measure, and look at those questions. Okay, many ways to measure. I'm going to make you guys do a lot of this one on your own. The answers are pretty simple to find, and I will help you, and then you're going to do them on your own. Number 1, what do you call the measurement that tells how heavy something is? What is it? What is the measurement called to tell how heavy something is? Yes. To tell how heavy something is, it is weight. When you measure weight, you are measuring how heavy someone or something is. So you guys are going to write right here. I'm going to put blank is the measurement for, oh my goodness, Mrs. Klein's having some typing issues. Is the measurement for how heavy something is. Okay, I want you to fill in the blank. I helped you find the answer, so you should be able to. Okay, question number 2. What do you call the measurement that tells how hot or cold something is? We're gonna do the same thing. Blank is the measurement that tells how hot or cold something is. Now, what tells how hot or cold something is? Let's look. There it is. Temperature tells measuring how hot or cold something is. Good work, guys. All right, let's look over here at question number 3. What do you call the measurement that tells how tall someone or something is? Again, I want you to fill in the blank. Blank is the measurement that tells how tall someone or something is. What's the measurement that tells how tall someone or something is? Good work. Height is how tall someone or something is. Good work, guys. I'm super proud of you. Okay, number 4. What is one tool that can be used to measure weight? There's one tool that can be used to measure weight, and I want you to find that all on your own. Look in the paragraph that talks about weight. What is a tool that we use to measure weight? So a blank can be used to measure weight. I want you guys to come up with that answer, okay? Mrs. Klein. There we go. Okay, what is one tool that can be used to measure temperature? Again, I want you guys to find that. Look in the paragraph that talks about temperature. What is the tool that we use to measure someone's temperature? Blank can be used to measure temperature. And again, I want you guys to come up with that answer. Okay. Trying to move that down so you guys can see it better. There we go. All right, if you need to pause the screen so you can get those, that's fine. I want you to fill in all the blanks on your own today. I helped you with the first 3. The last 2, I want you to locate all on your own, and I know that you guys can do it. You're so smart. All right, I miss you all. Love and hugs. Bye.